Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, at the present moment, practically there is no Brahmin, no Kshatriya, no Vaishya. Only Shudras, fourth class men. So you cannot expect any happiness guided by the fourth class men. That is not possible. Therefore, throughout the whole world, there is chaotic condition. Nobody is happy. So, this is essential that the human society must be divided into 4 divisions. The Brahmin class means the first class ideal man, so that by the seeing their character, their behavior, others will try to follow. Jad jad acharati shrestha. So this Krishna consciousness movement means we are trying to create some first class man. This is Krishna consciousness, this movement. So, therefore, we have got these rules and regulations. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling. This is the preliminary qualification of a first class man. So we are trying our bit to make some man ideal, first class man. But formally it was there. Chatur is still there. You don't think that all men are of the same intelligence or same category. No. Still there is intelligent class of men, just like those who are scientists, those are philosophers, religionists. They are supposed to be first class men. But unfortunately, now nobody can recognize who is first class and last class. So, for proper management of the whole society, the first class, second class, third class, men must be there. Just like in your body, there are different parts of the body, the head, the arm, the belly, and the leg. This is natural. So without head, if we have simply the arms and belly and legs, it is a dead body. So unless you are guided, the human society, by the first class man, the whole society is dead society. There must be division. According to Chatur Varnam Maya Srishtam Guna Karma, not by birth, but by quality. So anyone can be trained up, first class, second class, as he likes. That is called civilization. Some man should be trained up as first class man. Some man should be trained up as second class man. And some man should be trained up as third class man. And balance who cannot be trained up, they can assist the other 3 higher class. That is called Shudra. So, that is not possible. A human being, if he is properly trained up, if he is willing to take the instruction, he can be made first class. Never mind. By birth one may be born in a low class. It doesn't matter. But by training, he can become first class. That is the injunction of the Bhagavad-gita. Mang partha bapasritya jepishu papajonayo striya shudra tatha vaishya stepi janti parangati. Parangati. Parangati means to go back to home, back to God. That is our real home, the spiritual world. And live there eternally, blissfully, with full knowledge. That is our real position. So here we have come in this material world for material enjoyment. And the more we are making plan for material enjoyment, the more we are becoming entangled. That we do not know. They are thinking that material sense enjoyment is the aim of life. No, that is not the aim of life. That is the way to become more and more entangled.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.